नमस्ते।
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 नमस्ते। नमस्कार। नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते नमस्ते मैडम।
नमस्ते गुरुगले।
नमस्ते शिष्यरे।
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार नमस्कार। Okay, let's start everybody. How is everyone?
Just something today.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री महागणपतये नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। Okay, yesterday's shloka. Is it difficult to practice or is it okay? Let's see how difficult is it. Tejas.
शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिविद्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं।
Very good. Shri.
शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्।
Thank you. That's nice. Simhi, what's the problem?
शान्ताकारं
Sorry,
भुजगशयनं
why did you raise hand?
to sing.
Sing, I will call you, okay? Thank you. Sachit.
Sankhyam bhujangasatyanam
शान्ताकारं भुजङ्गशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलानयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्।
Very good. Very good. Sai.
शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्.
Okay, thank you. Just focus on everyone. Just focus on the heavy letters. Okay. Bhujagasayanam Padmanabham Vishwadharam Meghavarnam Shubhangam. All this. Okay. Yes, Simmi, your turn now.
शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभृत्यान
Yogibhirdhyanagam Yogibhirdhyanagam
योगिभिर्
Wait. Yogibhir Dhyana
ध्यानगम्यं
Yogi wait. Yogibhir Dhyana Gamyam. Yogibhir Dhyana Gamyam. Say again. Yogibhir Dhyana Gamyam. Yogibhir Dhyana Gamyam. Good. Okay. You have to say first practice individual words and then try to join two words and then try to join three words. Yogibhir Dhyana Gamyam. Yogibhir Dhyana Gamyam. Yogibhir Dhyana Gamyam. Okay. Yeah, continue.
वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्.
Okay. Again, focus on the heavy letters. Okay. Neha Nishta.
शान्ताकारं भुजगशयने पद्मनाभं सुरेशं
Sorry. Start again, Bhujaga. Start again, please.
शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्.
Good. Thank you. Okay, let's look at some new shlokas for today. Okay, I think I picked two shlokas for today. The first one is Narasimha. Narasimha. Does anybody know Narasimha? Yeah.
We do.
Yeah, somebody I can see raising hands, waving hands. Can somebody tell? Yeah, Srijan, two hands raised.
Narasimha is one of Vishnu's incarnations when he comes to Bhuloka, and his head is lion, his body is human, and he killed
Hiranyakashipu.
Hiranyakashipu
and rescued Prahlada. He came on call from Prahlada.
Yeah, he after Hiranyakashipu got a boon from Brahma, he killed
Hiranyakashipu. Okay, yes. So Hiranyakashipu is a demon, asura, rakshasa. Okay, he got boon from Brahma. Okay, he wanted to live long and long. Okay, he asked Brahma, "Can I live forever?" And Brahma said no. Then he, clever thinking, Hiranyakashipu asked for a boon which is very difficult to be. He thought nobody can do. I mean, all the bad people think that they can never be defeated. Okay, Ravana asked the same thing. Everybody asked the same thing. Hiranyakashipu also asked the same thing. He said, "I should not be killed day or night. I should not be killed on the land or in the sky. Okay, I should not be killed by any weapon. I should not be killed by a human or an animal. I should not be killed by all this and that." He asked for all these kind of things. Okay, and then his son Prahlada was Vishnu's devotee, and Hiranyakashipu did not like him, and he tried to kill him. And finally, he asked, "Where is your Narayana? Where is your Narayana?" And then finally, Narayana, Vishnu, comes out of a pillar in the form of a Narasimha. Nara is human, Simha is lion. Okay, Narasimha. He comes in the form of a Narasimha, and in the evening, just before darkness hits, okay, in that time, that is not even day, not even night, he keeps, and his another boon was not inside the house, not outside the house. He keeps on the door, on the door frame, front door, so that's not inside, not outside. He keeps him on his lap, so that's not on the ground, not on the sky, so in between. And he opens him with his stomach and his body with his nails. Okay, no weapons used. So there is somebody who's saying, okay, the bad people ask for all these things. Okay, still the Lord finds his way. Okay, so the only thing was Hiranyakashipu did not ask for a forever living. He asked for a very special death. Okay, after all of 25,000 years, he did tapas, penance in a forest, standing on single toe. Okay, he did 25 years standing on that. He worshipped Brahma, and then all he asked for a very special death. Instead of asking for something good for everybody, he asked for something good for himself. That's why he ended up like that. Okay, the lessons is whenever we ask for pray, we have to ask for something good for everybody. Okay, not just for us. Okay, with that background, let's start the story. Sorry, shloka. Mata Narasimhascha. You will hear a lot of Narasimha in this shloka. Okay. Mata Narasimhascha. Pita Narasimho. Mata Narasimhascha. Pita Narasimho. Bhrata Narasimhascha. Sakha Narasimha. Bhrata Narasimhascha. Sakha Narasimha. Vidya Narasimha. Dravinam Narasimha. Vidya Narasimha. Dravinam Narasimha. Swamin Narasimha. Sakalam Narasimha. Swamin Narasimha. Sakalam Narasimha. Ito Narasimha. Parato Narasimha. Ito Narasimha. Parato Narasimha. Yato yami tato Narasimha. Yato yami tato Narasimha. इतो नरसिंह परतो नरसिंह यतो यतो यामि ततो नरसिंह नरसिंह देवता परमा किंचित नरसिंह देवता परमा किंचित तस्मान् नरसिंह चरणं प्रपद्ये तस्मान् नरसिंह चरणं प्रपद्ये माता नरसिंहश्च पिता नरसिंहो भ्राता नरसिंहश्च सखा नरसिंह विद्या नरसिंहो द्रविणं नरसिंह स्वामिन् नरसिंह सकलं नरसिंह इतो नरसिंह परतो नरसिंह यतो यतो यामि ततो नरसिंह नरसिंहदेवता परमा किंचित् तस्मान् नरसिंह चरणं प्रपद्ये. So Mata Narasimha, Pita Narasimha. Mata is mother, Pita is father. So he is the father, he is the mother. Bhrata Narasimhascha, Saka Narasimha. Bhrata is brother. Saka is friend. He is the brother, he is the friend. Vidya Narasimha, Dravidam Narasimha. Vidya is knowledge, Dravidam is wealth. So he is the knowledge, he is the wealth. Swamin Narasimha, Sakalam Narasimha. He is the Lord. He is everything. Sakalam is everything. So he is everything. Ito Narasimha, Parato Narasimha. Here also Narasimha. That means in this world also Narasimha. In the other world also Narasimha. Other world is after death world. Okay, where we go. So in that world also it's Narasimha. Yato yato yami tato narasimha. Wherever I go, there, everywhere, I worship Narasimha. Okay, there is Narasimha. Narasimha Devata Parama Kinchit. So Narasimha Devata is the only Lord for me, none else, nobody else. Tasman Narasimha Charanam Prapadye. To that Narasimha's feet, I take refuge in his feet. Okay. Mata Narasimhascha, Pita Narasimho, Bhrata Narasimhascha, Sakha Narasimha, Vidya Narasimho, Dravidam Narasimha, Swamin Narasimhascha, Swamin Narasimha, Sakalam Narasimha. Ito Narasimha Parato Narasimha, Yato Yato Yami, Tato Narasimha. Narasimha Devata Parama Kinchit, Tasman Narasimha Charanam Prapadye. Yes, Pranil, what's your question?
In some of the words, like in Swami Narasimha and in Parato Narasimha, the Narasimha is spelled Narasimha.
Yeah, so Narasimha, yeah. Haha, this Swami Narasimha, it should be not haha. Correct, good find. Okay. Swami Narasimha. Okay. Good one. Thank you, Pranil, fixing my spelling mistakes. Okay, who want to try? Let's see. Okay. Akanksha.
Hello? Which one do you want me to sing?
Master Devi. That one.
Are you in the class?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come back to you. Okay. Pranil, you go ahead, sir.
Mata Narasimhascha Pita Narasimho
Pita.
Pita
Pita.
Narasimha.
Pita means yellow color. Okay.
Yes.
Pita means father. Okay. Pita Narasimha means yellow color is Narasimha. Okay. Pita Narasimha means father is Narasimha. Okay. So there is a difference.
Well, he is yellow though. Pita Narasimho Bhrata Narasimhascha
Sakha Narasimha.
Sakha Narasimha Vidya Narasimho Dravinam Narasimha Dravinam Narasimha
Swami. Yeah.
Swamin Narasimha Sakalam Narasimha Ito Narasimha Parato Narasimha Yato Yami Tato Narasimha
Yeah. Go ahead. Sorry.
Narasimha Devata Param Kinchit Tasman Narasimha
Tasman Narasimha Charananam Prapadhe.
Charanam Prapadhe.
Thank you. Bala and Ishita.
Mata Narasimhascha Pita Narasimho Bhrata Narasimhascha Sakha Narasimha Vidya Narasimho Dravinam Narasimha Swamim Narasimha Sakalam Narasimha Ito Narasimha Parato Narasimha Yato Yami Tato Narasimha Narasimha Devata Param Kinchit Tasman Narasimha Charanam Prapadye.
Good.
Thank you.
Chinmayi and Shri.
Mata Narasimhascha Pita Narasimho Bhrata Narasimhascha Sakha Narasimha Vidya Narasimho Dravinam Narasimha Swamin Narasimha Sakalam Narasimha Ito Narasimha Parato Narasimha Yato Yami Tato Narasimha Devata Parama Kinchit Tasman Narasimha Charanam Prapadye. Thank you.
Thank you. Akanksha is still searching. Where is today's shloka? Dhruti and Deepti, please.
Mata Narasimhascha Pita Narasimho Bhrata Narasimhascha Sakha Narasimha Vidya Narasimho Dravinam Narasimha Swamim Narasimha Sakalam Narasimha Ito Narasimha Parato Narasimha Yato Yami Tato Narasimha Devata Parama Kinchit Tasman Narasimha Charanam Prapadye.
Very good. Thank you. Vaishnavi and Ram.
माता नरसिंहश्च पिता नरसिंहो भ्राता नरसिंहश्च सखा नरसिंह विद्या नरसिंहो द्राविणं नरसिंह
Dravinam.
स्वामी
Dravinam. Okay. Dravinam. Dravinam
द्रविणं
is strong. Dravinam.
द्रविणं नरसिंह स्वामिन् नरसिंह सकलं नरसिंह इतो नरसिंह परतो नरसिंह यतो यतो यामि ततो नरसिंह नरसिंह देवता परम किंचित् तस्मन् नरसिंह चरणं प्रपद्ये.
Thank you. Okay, so now you all familiar chanting Narasimha, Narasimha. Okay, let's try one more again on Narasimha Swami. Okay. Samsara Sagara Samuttaranika Mantram. Samsara Sagara Samuttaranika Mantram. Brahmadi Deva Muni Pujita Siddha Mantram. Brahmadi Deva Muni Pujita Siddha Mantram. Daridrya Dukkha Bhavaroga Vinasha Mantram. Everyone repeat after me. Daridrya Dukkha Bhavaroga Vinasha Mantram. Vande Mahabhayaharam Narasimha Mantram. Vande Mahabhayaharam Narasimha Mantram. Samsara Sagara Samuttaranika Mantram. Brahmadi Deva Muni Pujita Siddha Mantram. Daridrya Dukkha Bhavaroga Vinasha Mantram. Vande Mahabhayaharam Narasimha Mantram. Samsara Sagara Samuttaranika Mantram. That means Samsara Sagara. That means all this Sagara is sea. Okay, this sea of Samsara. Samsara is all this life. Okay, Samuttaranika Mantram. From all this rescuing, there is only one mantra. Okay, Brahmadi Deva Muni Pujita Siddha Mantram. Brahma and all the other devas, all the gods, Muni, Rishis, Pujita, from their worshipped. Okay, the mantra. Okay, Daridrya Dukkha Bhavaroga Vinasha Mantram. Daridrya is difficulties. Okay, the struggle, the poverty. Dukkha is sorrow. Bhavaroga, all the illness, grief. Vinasha Mantram, all this destroyed by this mantra. Vande Mahabhayaharam. Vande is Namaskara. Vande Mahabhayaharam. Mahabhaya, Bhaya is scare, fear. Okay, Bhayaharam means remover of all the fear. Narasimha Mantram. So the mantra is Narasimha mantra. So just chant Narasimha, 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 Narasimha. Chanting that is removes all the problems in this life. That mantra Narasimha, Narasimha is chanted by Brahma and all the other rishis. It removes all the poverty, all the difficulties, grief and everything. And it is also removes all the fear. Narasimha mantram. Okay. Samsara Sagara Samuttaranaika Mantram Brahmadi Deva Muni Pujita Siddha Mantram Daridrya Dukkha Bhavaroga Vinasha Mantram Vande Mahabhayaharam Narasimha Mantram. Okay. So raise your hand if you have not, if I did not call your name in the last 2-3 days. Okay, Saket and Lola, you are the first one. Please go. Try this. Samsara
Sagara Samuttaranaika Mantram
Brahmadi
Deva Muni Pujita Siddha Mantram Daridira Dukkha Bhavaroga Vinasha Mantram Vande Mahabhayaharam Narasimha Mantram.
Good.
And also in the last sloka, one of the lines I found a bit familiar.
Okay. Okay, you say this shloka and then chant Narasimha, 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 Narasimha. Okay, Ahana, your turn.
Actually, I just want to read it and I just don't know how to do it, so I just want to just read it. But just try it.
Okay.
She don't know. That's what she's asking.
Okay.
You want you to.
I will do it. You repeat after me. Okay.
Okay.
Samsara Sagara.
Samsara
Sagara. Samuttaranaika.
Naika.
Mantram. Brahmadi. Deva Muni. Pujita. Siddha. Mantram. Daridrya. Dukkha. Bhavaroga. Vinasha. Mantram. Vande Mahabhayaharam Haram Narasimha Mantram. Now you can keep on saying Narasimha, Narasimha, Narasimha. Okay?
No.
Okay. Did anybody else last few days did not get a chance? Kamya and Kripa.
Yeah, ask what's your question.
What's the difference behind mantra and shloka?
I said yesterday, mantra is something that's heard by the rishis. Okay, shloka is somebody created it, somebody wrote it down. It's in the smritis.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. No problem. Okay.
Samsara Sagara Samuttaranaika Mantram Brahmadi Deva Muni Pujita Siddha Mantram दारिद्र्या दुःख भवरोग विनाशमन्त्रं वन्दे
भयहरं
नरसिंहमन्त्रम्
संसारसागरसमुत्तरणैकमन्त्रम् ब्रह्मादिदेवमुनिपूजितसिद्धमन्त्रम् दारिद्र्यदुःखभवरोगविनाशमन्त्रम् वन्दे महाभयहरं नरसिंहमन्त्रम् नरसिंह 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 नरसिंह. Can go on like that. Okay, keep on chanting Narasimha Narasimha Narasimha. Okay, I think those were the shlokas, 2 shlokas I wanted to try today. Okay, Mata Narasimhascha Pita Narasimho Bhrata Narasimhascha Sakha Narasimha Vidya Narasimho Dravidam Narasimha Swamin Narasimha Sakalam Narasimha Ito Narasimha Parato Narasimha Yato Yami Tato Narasimha Narasimha Devata Parama Kinchit Tasman Narasimha Charanam Prapadhe. Samsara Sagara Samuttaranika Mantram Brahmadi Deva Muni Pujita Siddha Mantram Daridra Dukkha Bhavaroga Vinasha Mantram Vande Mahabhayaharam Narasimha Mantram. Narasimha, Narasimha, Narasimha. Okay. I think that's good for this week. You have all been good children. Okay, listening very well, practicing very well. Keep doing that. Okay, and we will see you again next week. Okay, 2 weeks gone, 2 more weeks to go. Okay, few more shlokas next week. And then we'll learn few more things. Okay, keep practicing, everybody. We'll close this today's class by saying Achyutaya Namaha, Anantaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, Achyutaya Namaha, Anantaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, Achyutaya Namaha, Anantaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, Narayanaya Namaha. Narasimha, Narasimha, Narasimha. Today's everybody keep saying Narasimha, Narasimha, Narasimha. Okay. Thank you. See you all Monday.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.